Hey there, it's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and today you're going to learn how to play You Are My Sunshine in the key of C. I've added a link to download the tab for this song so that you can follow and play along. This is a really great song to learn when you're first getting started with guitar because most of us already recognize the melody and the chords are pretty simple to strum along with. Let's start by going over the chords. We'll use the chords C, F, and G in this song. The strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. This song is something we call pickup notes. So that means when I'm singing or playing the melody, we have 3 notes that begin before our chords start. And those are the notes, you are my. And when I say sun, that's when we begin our strumming pattern. Okay, our strumming pattern with the chords is you are my C chord and stay on C chord, then go to F chord, then back to C, then back to F chord, then back to C chord, stay on C, then G, back to C. Fun. Okay, so once you've got the chord progression down, what you can do is record yourself playing the chords on a separate device like a phone so that you can practice playing along with the melody. The melody of the song is going to be relatively based around our C chord shape. So I'll start on the 3rd fret of my 6th string for U, 3rd fret of my 5th string for R, and my open D string for my. Then I get to go to the 2nd fret of my 4th string for sunshine. Okay, again, that's you are my sunshine. Then I stay on that 2nd fret for my own, lift it up for open D, then set it back down for leave. Set my ring finger back down for sunshine. So did you see how that kind of all stayed in the C shape? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. And then going forward to the next line, 3rd fret of the 5th string, open D string, 2nd fret of the 4th string for you make me. Then we go to the 3rd fret of our 4th string, 2nd fret of your 3rd string. So see how I'm still kind of keeping my fingers in the chord that I'm going to? Since this part is at the F chord, my hand is kind of in that F chord shape. So that's you make me happy. Then back the way we came, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open 3rd string, 3rd fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, that line is you make me happy when skies are gray. Awesome. Okay, let me play those first 2 lines for you. Play along. right, so the next part, you'll never know, dear, how much I love you, is almost identical to the second line that we played. So this, you make me happy, is the same as you'll never know, dear. Okay, so we're at you'll never know, dear. That's the 3rd fret of the 5th string, open 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string, 3rd fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open 3rd string, 3rd fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then our root note C on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Woo, we're almost there. Our next part is please don't take my sunshine away. Still around that C shape, I play 3rd fret of my 5th string, open 4th string, 2nd fret of my 4th string, and repeat it. Then open 4th string, repeat it, 2nd fret of my 4th string, and 3rd fret of my 5th string. All right, here's the whole thing. Have fun practicing You Are My Sunshine. Grab the PDF download. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more beginner guitar lessons from me. See you soon.